Close your eyes, pick a direction, and start walking. Simple, right? But here's something that will mess with your head. Without any landmarks to guide you, you will never walk in a straight line. Never. Not even close. So, what's actually pulling you off course? And is there any way to fight it? This isn't just a quirky, fun fact. It's a window into how your brain and body actually work together, or sometimes completely against each other. Every single day, you trust your sense of direction to get you places. But what if that sense is more broken than you think? Imagine trying to drive a car where the steering wheel has a slow, invisible drift to the left. You'd never know until you ended up somewhere completely wrong. Let's start with a simple experiment that researchers have actually run. They take volunteers out into a wide-open field. They blindfold them, and they say, "Walk straight ahead." What happens? Within minutes, every single person starts curving. Some veer left, some veer right. Some even loop back almost completely around to where they started, without ever realizing it. So why does this happen? The short answer is, your two legs are not identical. Sounds obvious when you say it out loud, but think about what that means. One leg is almost always slightly stronger, slightly longer, or takes a slightly bigger step than the other. That tiny difference. We're talking millimeters. It compounds with every single stride. It's like a slow typo that spreads across the whole page. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your brain knows about this imbalance. It constantly corrects for it. But only when you have something to look at. A tree in the distance, a building, a mountain on the horizon. Your visual system acts like a GPS recalibration, constantly pulling your path back to true. Take that away, and your brain is flying blind, trying to correct errors it can't even see. There's also something happening deeper in your inner ear. You have a system called the vestibular system. Tiny fluid-filled canals that detect movement and rotation. Think of it like a built-in gyroscope. But here's the problem. It's not perfectly calibrated either. Small, consistent errors stack up over time, and your brain interprets a gradual curve as walking straight. You feel like you're going forward. You're going in a slow spiral. Here's the fact that reframes everything. Researchers at the Max Planck Institute for Biological Cybernetics found that people don't just drift randomly. They drift in loops, tight, consistent loops. Some participants completed full circles of as little as 20 meters in diameter. All while completely convinced they were moving in a straight line. Your brain isn't just wrong. It's confidently, repeatedly wrong, in the exact same way, over and over again. Sunlight changes this completely. The moment you give people a visible sun, even a hazy one, their paths straighten out dramatically, because now the brain has an external anchor, something outside itself to measure against. Without it, you're only using internal data. And internal data, it turns out, is riddled with tiny errors your conscious mind never gets to see. So here's the real answer. You cannot walk in a perfectly straight line without an external reference point. It's not a matter of focus, or willpower, or athletic ability. It is a hard limit built into your biology. Your body's internal sensors, your legs, your inner ear, your muscle memory, they're all slightly asymmetrical, slightly drifting, and your brain corrects beautifully when it has something to look at. But strip that away, and you're just a very confident person walking in circles. This tells us something profound about how we navigate the world, and not just physically. So much of staying on track in life depends on external reference points. Mentors, feedback, data, deadlines. Without them, even the most disciplined, self-aware person drifts. And here's the part that should really expand your mind. This same looping behavior has been observed in swimmers in foggy water and drivers in whiteout snowstorms. Remove the horizon, and every creature that moves, including you, starts going in circles. Your body is an incredible machine, but it needs the world around it to keep you pointed in the right direction. So next time you feel completely sure you're on the right path, ask yourself, what's my horizon?